Alright guys, so I made the National Fire Alarm Day video on the National Fire Alarm Day, right? But YouTube decided, hey, we're not going to upload a video for this guy, so we're not going to upload a video. We're not going to let him upload his video. We're just going to make the app crash. And my iPhone doesn't like my computer, and my computer doesn't like my iPhone, so they don't like to share videos between each other, and I don't want to download iTunes. So that's not going to be uploaded anytime soon. But this video should, and let's get on to it. And you ready for a sneak peek? What's that? What? I thought I was done making fire alarm panels. Nope. Guys, I made another fire alarm panel, and this one's much better, and I don't really have anything else to fix about it. There's nothing really. I just need to add the second NAC to it. I'm just waiting on a relay. Bam, there it is. It's got a speaker inside. It is a voice evacuation panel, but where's the amplifier actually? The amplifier's around here somewhere, but I don't have it. Here it is. Here's the amplifier, and it works and everything, but I don't have any, like, I don't have one of those MP3 card holders for the Arduinos, and yeah, but I'm probably just gonna get a really cheap, really cheap, a really cheap like iPod that plays music and use that or something. Anyways, so you can kind of see Borich facility system normal, or I can't reset it with the reset button. That's the only thing it doesn't reset. You can see the button, the light go out when I press the reset button. But I can reset, but I can't reset like a normal from the panel. But if I like stick a screwdriver up here and push the button in the correct spot. There it goes. Yeah. There's the NAC relay right there. And this is the zone 1. Right here is zone 1. This is power input, because it doesn't have its own power supply. It does not have its own. This is power input for the NACs. It doesn't have its own power supply for NACs. But it does have its own proprietary power supply. And these two this is the NAC 1 output, and that'll be NAC 2 outputs when I get them. And this is just a real, that's just a, that was from my old panel, left over from the old panel. That was the EOL. So, let's get started. And this is a really loud system. We have the EST Genesis and the, System Sensor MHW. I'm key activating it for the first time. The smoke detector isn't hooked up. I need a new relay. I need another relay. There it is. Silence in the system. Now, you notice that there was no E on that silence. Only people who know anything about Firelight knows what I'm talking about by that. Alright? That's just a comment if you know what it means. Comment, alright? Comment if you know comment, okay? Just comment if you know what that means, because that's like a kind of like only OG only old fire alarm enthusiasts will understand. Not old fire, but like, you know, people have been in the hobby or pay close attention to things, you know? So, yeah, let's reset the panel. It cannot re-alarm. That's a cool thing. It cannot re-alarm on the same zone if it's silenced. It cannot re-alarm. The panel has to be in a normal state for it to re-alarm on the same zone, like a normal panel. But there's only one zone on this so far, so. Now, in the code, I will have put, in Edwards Genesis Sync, but, that's for, that's not, in the code, I'm going to be slashing, commenting that stuff out. So that way, like, if you're going to, this is an open source code, and I'll share it once I'm done with it. And, so basically, if you want to build this, it's, you can just look through the code and build it based off of that. You can change your code, it's open source, but basically, I'm going to be commenting out some code. So there'll be Edwards Genesis, Audible Silence that I'll be commenting out. I'll also be commenting out, different coding options. I'll be coding out more zones, more knacks and stuff. Like slashing out more knacks and more code zones, so that way you can have more zones. And you'll see what that means. You'll see what that means whenever I release it. But there'll be a complete separate video on that. So yeah, it's still an alarm. It won't re-alarm because it's still an alarm. So. Also, my birthday's coming up soon, so we should be getting a lot of cool devices. I might be getting a lot of cool Simplex stuff, like speaker strobes and light lights. It's always really hard to open this. So I guess we can restart it. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. That's a contrast potentiometer. And the reason why I'll be commenting it out because this is an Arduino Uno, and you'll be able to use an Arduino Mega, and you'll have more zones and more knacks. There might even be, I might even include LEDs, so like you can have LEDs. So yeah. And now we're gonna set this on continuous. Actually, this is running on 24 volts, so we'll just put it on high volume code 3 because last time I tried that, it wasn't working for some reason. It wasn't like working correctly. If I can find the thing. Oh yeah. Cut this video short, guys. I don't want to run out of memory, and I don't want YouTube to say, "Hey, you can't upload that." And yes, if you won't follow my Instagram, you'll see YouTube was down last night. I don't know if you guys knew. So yeah, it's really hard to see. This LCD isn't really that good at looking at different angles. You have to look straight on for it to like look well, and it doesn't help that it's down there at the bottom. So I'm gonna set this to the high volume instead of low volume, and we'll set it to. We'll do all the coding options of this. I'm gonna leave this unlocked actually. Here we go. Yeah, it's odd. This device has an issue with it. On high volume, it does continuous. Low volume, it does okay, but continuous high volume. Let's try that. Just trying to reset the system. Something tells me that would not be a good idea to change a setting while it's running. Reset the system and very out of sync. 15 Candela. Loud. So. I'm going to have separate panels. Like there's going to be a battery expansion panel, so a battery backup. There's also going to be a dialer a dialer panel. It's going to be a very, very small panel, that dialer panel, because all it's going to do is it's going to have a Raspberry Pi in it. And that dialer panel is also going to be in charge of playing the sound. It's not going to be in charge of playing like doing the amplification, but it will play the sound. And this amplifier does really, really well. So anyways, that'll be it, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.